Welcome back to the Global Fight Champion Challenge. And now a moment that you all have been waiting for. The 72 kg Champion Challenge Fight กลับมาละมันกันต่อกับ The Global Fight Champion Challenge ครับถึงเวลาที่ทุกท่านรอคอยครับศึกชิงแชมเปี้ยนรุ่นพิกัดน้ำหนัก 72 กิโลกรัมนักชกในมุมน้ำเงินครับนักชกมาจากประเทศแคนาดาสังกัดค่ายอัตชัยมวยไทยยิม Introducing our blue corner representing Canada training out of Attachai Muay Thai Gym. He holds a professional record of 55 fights and 39 victories. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear for Colton Bird.
The Global Fight.
Let's make some noise! Welcoming your Canadian warrior, fighting out of the blue corner, training out of Attachai Muay Thai Gym. Let's hear for Colton Bird. และคู่ต่อสู้ของเขาในมุมแดงครับนักชกชาวไทยสังกัดค่ายทอดมวยไทยยิม and his opponent in the red corner training out of Thai Muay Thai Gym with professional records of 48 fights and 30 victories. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear for DABMON โชติบางแสน
The Global Fight.
And entering the ring right now is your Thai fighter, fighting out of the red corner, representing Thai Muay Thai Gym. Let's hear for DABMON โชติบางแสน ก่อนเราจะไปชมศึกชิงแชมเปี้ยนรุ่นพิกัดน้ำหนัก 72 กิโลกรัมในค่ำคืนนี้ครับลำดับนี้ขอเรียนเชิญรองประธานบริษัทแม็กซ์มวยไทยคุณธงสงเพียรทรัพย์ Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming Vice President of Max Muay Thai, Mr. Thong Songpyeonsap. Tonight, he coming with a 72 kg champion belt for the winning fighter. และผู้ชนะของเราในค่ำคืนนี้จะได้ครอบครองเข็มขัด The Global Fight Champion Challenge รุ่น 72 กิโลกรัมเส้นนี้ครับขอขอบคุณคุณธงสงเพียรทรัพย์ครับ And now let's the Champion Challenge fight begins.
So now moving on to our main event, our 72 kilo champion challenge fight. Introducing first in the blue corner, Colton Bird from Canada. He's 22 years of age, 197 centimeters tall. He's had a total of 55 fights, 39 wins, 2 draws and 14 losses. Trains and fights out of Attachai Muay Thai Gym in Bangkok, where he's trained and managed by Attachai Fairtex, or Attachai Paul Samranchai, as he was known back in the day. His opponent in the red corner, DABMON CHOKBAENSAN, is your name Yuttapong Kongsuk from Surin, northeast Thailand. 21 years of age, 182 centimeters tall. He's had a total of 48 fights, 30 wins, 18 losses. His last fight here at Max was a first round KO win over Iwarim Karagos from Turkey. Trains and fights at a top Muay Thai gym where he's trained by a lot Todd Muay Thai and he's managed by Dab Tamruat Samon Sawangsi. So a big height advantage for Colton in the blue shorts.
You can see DABMON built for power. Even though he's a tall fighter, you can just see the difference in
solid,
stockings.
thick legs. Yeah. See if that theory of mine in the earlier fight comes true here in the first round. He's going to try and punish the foreigner's skinnier legs. Here we go, round number one. He's a tough, aggressive fighter, DABMON. We'll see what Colton has to offer very shortly. Sharp right hand straight away there from the Thai. Colton looking to push push forward here, use his height. Sharp push kicks from him so far and jabs.
Good straight right from Colton. DABMON doesn't even seem to be phased.
Yeah, very, very nonchalant here in the opening round.
You kind of got that feeling that DABMON's just waiting to explode at some point. Just by his body language.
That could lull you into a full sense of security the way he is here. Very relaxed, very cold, calm, and all of a sudden, bam. Whether or not he gets the chance to do it though, is another matter.
That is true. He's waiting a little.
A hard right there from Colton. Let's change his mind a little bit. Sharp push kick. That brought him to life. Colton.
Good combination.
With some sharp punches again.
If DABMON was going to explode, as I was saying earlier, now might be the time to do it.
Yeah, you can't afford to take too many shots from his opponent. Right hand again from the Canadian. Good body shot from DABMON that time.
Apparently your theories seem to be wrong once again as Colton is attacking the leg. Oh, there's DABMON.
Oh, and quick knee there from the Canadian fighter. Sharp long knee, hard elbow as well. This ain't going to be an easy night for DABMON. Good elbow again from the Canadian fighter. Punishing that leg there with a low kick again, DABMON.
I like the combination work of Colton when he puts his hands together.
Yeah.
Good body kick from him.
And that long knee as well. I'd like to see him use those long knees. He's going to have trouble getting out of the way of them, DABMON.
Yeah, DABMON doesn't seem to really be offering too much in terms of offense. He's throwing a couple of low kicks, but not really following up or leading off with anything other than a single shot.
Some range is giving him problems here. Working the jab in there now. He needs to come in with a bit more here, DABMON. Body kick there from Colton.
Good switch, straight left from Colton.
As you said before, he put his hands together very well here.
Definitely the better boxer of the two thus far.
End of round one.
ห้ามพลาดรายการ The Global Fight วันพฤหัสบดีที่ 1 มีนาคมนี้ Don't miss The Global Fight this Thursday on the 1st of March. Our first fight เกตแก้วสอไพรดำ vs ก้องชัยภูมิสานิตมวยไทย Second fight 100 ปอนด์พยัคฆ์อรุณ vs ฟ้าลิขิตสิทธิ์กำนันประเสริฐ Third fight อนันตศักดิ์สิทธิ์ผู้กองยศ vs ราชครูปรยุทธภูมิ Fourth fight อังเดรห้วยใหญ่ Combat from Italy vs เพชรสายมูลค่ายแสนสุขยิม and our main event the Champion Challenge fight Kende.
There we go into the second round of our 72 kilo champion challenge match. Colton Bird from Canada. Good opening round from him. DABMON CHOKBAENSAN in the red corner.
In the first round, Colton showed beautiful work with his hands, good long knees. DABMON just a little slow to the trigger. Colton comes right out with the good push kick, followed by a right elbow. And another.
Trying to get into the clinch there, DABMON. Surprised he's not trying to punish the legs more.
It almost seems he's a little thrown off by the height and reach of Colton.
Brisk right hand again from the Canadian fighter there. See that knee there. Very difficult to get past him.
And
playing about the low blow that time. Oh, good left hook that time from the Canadian fighter.
Good combination from Colton.
Can't get past his reach, can he?
Yeah, DABMON is very, very confused by the reach of Colton. And Colton's doing a great job of keeping that reach.
Left hook to the body. Big punches now from Colton. Starting to really take over here. Say take over. He's already been in front, but he's starting to really put the cosh on DABMON here.
Solid right hook from Colton.
DABMON trying to get the low kicks in now. Focusing on that inside leg. There's a lot of redness on that front leg of Colton now. Again, he's just walking on the punches here, though.
You got to wonder how much more of this can DABMON endure. He's doing
taking a lot of shots there. Stuck on the ropes now. Elbows coming in as well. Good body kick from him now. Colton for the takedown. Just stuck on the ropes here. Big knee through the middle there from Colton. Unable to get through the low kicks here. Just dominant again in this second round here.
DABMON is just keying in right now on the leg.
He's looking at it though. He's showing exactly what he's going to do here. Cut on the left eyebrow now.
Colton sort of pointing to it and he knows where he's attacking.
Yeah. He's in control still. DABMON on the back foot again. Sharp elbow now from the Canadian. End of round 2.
ห้ามพลาดรายการมวยไทยแบทเทิลวันศุกร์ที่ 2 มีนาคมนี้
千万不要错过这星期五泰拳的比赛，来征见战斗者的力量 Battle Muay Thai。
Don't miss Muay Thai battle this Friday on the 2nd of March. Our first fight, Chok Chanatip versus Kongkiat Taopran 49. Second fight, Charlotte Johnson from Canada versus Kyle Richard from the US of A. Third fight, Chao Xiaoming from China takes on Kampai ลูกเจ้าพ่อบ่อทอง Fourth fight, เริงชัยพอทองบุราณ versus ไพตันเพชรจินดา And our main event where two champions collide ปูซานธนสิทธิ์มวยไทยยิม versus ฟ้าคำรามดาบชิดพระแก้ว Catch the action live on maxmuaythai.com ซื้อสินค้าที่ระลึกจาก
The Global Fight.
Canada in the blue. Strong second round from the blue corner there.
Colton opening up a cut on DABMON right over the eyebrow, left eyebrow. You gotta wonder if he's gonna come right back and start attacking that.
Here we go, third and final round. Pushing forward again here, Colton. Good knees from him. Again, complaining about that low knee there. Looking for that low kick again there. DABMON, it's been pretty much his sole attack really in this fight. The low kick to the inside leg. A few other shots, but not much. Good body kick now from DABMON. Oh, the referee doing a James Brown splits there. Great reactions there from the ref. That's why I always say it, they are the best referees in the world. Always got the fighter's safety at heart. Pushing forward a bit more now, DABMON, but good work from Colton in the clinch again.
Yeah, DABMON just with the single shot is either attacking the leg or looking to throw a hard body kick. Not much in the way of punch combinations and stringing things together.
Colton again, working the elbow in there. Good rising elbow from Colton there. Hard, long knee again. Starting to turn the screw again now. Backing DABMON into his own corner there. Good elbow from DABMON that time, but needs a lot more at this stage.
Yeah, you got to imagine at this point, DABMON needs a knockout to win this.
Good knee from him there. Again, Colton getting on top. Oh, nice crisp 1-2 there from the Canadian fighter. Snapping the head of DABMON back there.
Good right elbow from Colton. Solid knee. There we go. That was a solid right hand from DABMON.
We need to see a lot. We should have seen a lot more of them in this fight, shouldn't we? This is his height. He's just struggled with throughout. Oh, good elbow there from DABMON. Final 30 seconds of the fight now. DABMON getting through with it. He got through with more in this third round than he has the whole fight.
Yeah, it just seemed like it took him 2 rounds to wake up, which is unfortunate because at max you only have 3.
That's right. Colton feeling the pace a little bit as well now. There's the bell to end the final round. Wait for the judge's decision now. Some of that action in slow motion again there. Better round in the third for DABMON. It's a tag. Colton with a few solid shots. That elbow through the middle there. Again, took quite a few good shots back though.
ทำหันกันอย่างดูเดือดไป3 ยกครับใครจะเป็นแชมป์รุ่น 72 กิโลกรัมเราไปฟังผลการตัดสินจากคณะกรรมการกัน Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action, we go to the judges' scorecard for the 72 kilogram champion. Blue corner, Colton Byrne from Canada. ลำดับนี้ครับขอเชิญรองประธานบริษัท Max Muay Thai คุณธงทรงเพียรทรัพย์ขึ้นมาบนเวทีเพื่อมอบรางวัลครับ Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again our Vice President of Max Muay Thai, Mr. Thong Sompiansap, and he will present the 72 kilogram champion belt to the blue corner, Colton Byrne from Canada. Alright, thanks for watching. You can watch the Global Fight Champion Challenge on every Wednesday and Thursday night starting at 7 p.m. You can catch all the action on the Max Muay Thai online platform. Watch it in high definition in English commentary on the maxmuaythai.com. Alright, thanks for watching.